What's going on, y'all? It's Every Penny Counts with another video. I want to talk about this site, Earnably, all right? Really good site. You see here my balance, $4.25. Okay, so I'm going to show you first how you can redeem here. Go to the redeem section. They have many different ways to withdraw your cash. A lot of times I use PayPal. They have different PayPal options here. But you see here, before I go into the PayPal, you see all they have. Look, PayPal, Amazon. You can get a virtual Visa card. Sometimes I get those on different sites, just to pay bills with online. You know what I'm saying? You can get Domino's, Dunkin' Donuts, look, Airbnb when you go out of town, things like that. PlayStation Store for those of you who have a PlayStation. You can look Hulu points. Put that money towards your bill every month. You know what I'm saying? See, a lot of different things they have here. You just keep scrolling down. TGI Fridays, Olive Garden, Krispy Kreme donuts. The donuts are really good, by the way. TJ Maxx. And I give me a lot of different things you can choose from. A lot of different ones. But for me, I always like the PayPal option. And going back up here, you see here you can cash out at $1.25. Well, really that's $1 because I think they take that 25 cents. It's like a fee. But they have I think like $1, $2. Yeah, right here. These are your PayPal withdrawals. $1, 125 points. $2, 225 points. All right. Then after that, it starts to get more even. And then the higher you go, the less points it requires from you. Like the $50 cash out, $49.75. You know what I'm saying? So you can do here. Me, I kind of get it at like the $5 or the $10 withdrawal. So once I get $5, I'm gonna withdraw. But I'm gonna show you one thing they have. Look here, they have the auto redeem. So you can just click auto redeem on any one of these. And as soon as you get that amount of points, it'll automatically cash out. And for me, like, I'm really thinking about doing that just because I'm with a lot of different sites. And sometimes when using so many sites and, you're making money with all of them, you kind of really forget to cash out. I mean, as crazy as it sounds, you really do. I mean, it's on sites right now where I got like, $4 and $5 in my account on some of them. And I haven't even cashed out just because I'm so busy trying to make money that I forget to withdraw it sometimes. So the fact that it offers an auto redeems, option is really cool. Like I said, I'm gonna really put on that $5 when I'm done with this video. But you can put it at whatever you want. You know what I'm saying? If you wanted the dollar auto redeem, bam, put it on that. Whatever you decide to do is completely up to you. All right, now let me show you how you can make money with this site. A lot of different ways to do that as well. All right, I go here to the earn section. The first thing I do, daily surveys. All right, daily surveys usually get you about 80 cents a piece to do one. You know what I'm saying? You see here, I go your surveys, 80 points per survey. Opinion surveys, same thing. Example, same thing, 80 cents. So those are ones you definitely want to pay attention to. If I click here on the little home page, it'll show me some different offer walls they have. All right, now right after I do the daily surveys, I always go to Peanut Labs. The reason I do that is because on this site, you would get paid a penny for each one you attempt. And that is big when you're attempting the surveys, because a lot of people that do surveys, they get frustrated because they don't make any money with it, because when they get disqualified, you know what I'm saying? When you get disqualified, you don't get anything. But there are survey providers and survey walls that will pay you for getting disqualified. And Peanut Labs is one of them when you use this site Earnably. All right. So everyone you attempt, you get a penny. And just do as many as you can. Okay. Now, while you're doing that, you always have videos. You see here, videos, engagement TV, 0.7 points per credit. All right. You want to let your videos run on a different tab. All right. Not in a, don't do it like this. You see how I have, Earnably in this tab, you don't want to click a new tab and do it. You want to have a whole separate window letting your videos run in the background. Okay, let your videos run in the background. That way you can make money while you're taking surveys. So it's like you're kind of getting paid in two different ways, if you will. Okay. Now they have other different offer walls you can do. They have Offer Turo, the Kiwi wall, personally, dryless ads, Radium One. I mean, Radium. Let me just click on this. It has some good things in here. Some things that are really easy. And what I recommend you guys to do is, like, when you're on these different sites, you got to do the ones that are really easy. I mean, the easy ones don't pay a lot, but you want to get them in your account anyway because it's just easy money. Sometimes when you're taking a lot of surveys, you get frustrated and your mind is kind of filled up. So you want to do some easy things just to kind of get your, spirits back up or whatever. You see here, explore interesting content from 360 daily, 1 point. Basically what that is, you click on it, and it'll be like a little slideshow of different sites. You don't have to do anything with it. All you have to do is just basically let it run. And then at the end, you click like claim your reward. Let me show you here. Look, watch videos from the hottest shows, tech, cooking, and more things like that. It's like the sites, they'll pop up for like 15 to 30 seconds a piece for each site. Then it automatically goes to the next one. I think you have to watch like 10 of them, and you get paid a point for that. I mean, which is basically a penny, and it's not a lot, but like I said, just do some of those just to when you're kind of frustrated when doing other things, like when it comes to surveys. All right, over here, you can print and redeem some coupons. 17 points. All right, easy money, easy. All you gotta do is click like 25, and you just print them. Even if you don't have a printer, just click print, and it still will give you the points. All right, same thing with the discover new tech websites. It's the same thing as that one I'm showing you there. It's just a different window. Do that one as well. And you just scroll down. You see here many different things. Look, learn 13 amazing facts. You're basically just looking at some stuff, and they're gonna give you 2 points for that. All right. Another little section where you can just look at Windows websites and just make easy money. Same thing here. I mean, Radio One has some easy things here, and I tell you guys to do as many as you can. Definitely do the easy ones. All right. Now, health insurance. Look, free registration, 96 points. I mean, just easy stuff that you can do in order to make your money into your account. All right. So going back over to the front page. You see all the different offer walls again. Now, the thing about this site is they do random things like random promo codes that you can use to put into your account. Sometimes they'll have like, today we're doing make 5% more on all offers. You know what I'm saying? So whatever offer you do, they give you 5% extra. So that's always good. Whenever you get, let me see if I can show you some of the things that, well, it doesn't, I mean, because it really pops up. You'll see it here at the top. They don't really have anything right now, but it's like I know around Christmas time, they were doing like every day for, the whole month of December, you would get like, either some money in your account or they would do a bonus. They were doing that every day until Christmas. And now it's around New Year's. So they're kind of restocking because January is kind of slow on like offers and surveys, which is why you have to really be on top of it. You have to really grind and do that and get on as many as you can because so many people are trying to get their account back up after spending a lot of money on Christmas. So just be aware of that when it gets around, January time and Christmas time, things like that. But again, I mean, this site is very simple. Like all I really do is the daily surveys and the peanut labs. I let my videos run in the background and I'm making money with it. You see there, $4.25. Let me show you my history. Just show you that I've been paid by them. I really haven't cashed out in a while with them, but you see here all these cash outs. Look, $5 cash out, 10, $5, $2. I mean, I'm really getting a lot of money with this site. So just continue to use it. I mean, I'm cashing out pretty much like every month. So that's one thing you can do. They process like basically the same day, so you don't have to wait that long for your payment. And just that simple. Right into your PayPal account or your Amazon or whatever you choose to use. So definitely sign up for this site. The link will be in the description. You sign up under me, you get a bonus. And start making money with Earnably, all right? It's just that simple. And remember, every penny counts.